do is lay in bed awake at night, dreaming of the things that I could say. It's too late. Why do I feel like I should have known by now? 'Cause everyone is just pretending to know. So finding out is on the go.
Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Gardens by the Bay at Indian Garden. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos. I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Gardens by the Bay. Hi guys, today I'm here in Gardens by the Bay at Indian Garden. Indian Garden, Taman, India. Traditional medicine, the nightlife of trees, kolam folk art, heritage garden, religious offerings, a reflection of devotion, and Indian food. So this is all of this guys you can see in Indian Garden. I'm going inside now guys. This is called the creation of trees. Look at this guys, it's beautiful. When Shankar Bhagwan, the creator, made the first man, there was no tree, no leaf on earth. The man said, Lord, what if I eat? How will I live? The creator folded 3 hairs from his own body and from them made 3 great trees. So I think this is guys. Look at this, it's beautiful guys. And amazing. And this is their traditional medicine. This is called Ayurveda, the sacred knowledge of healthy and long life. Medicinal properties, ancient ideas about ancient plants. Feed yourself healthy, you become what you eat. Kapha type, the Vata air type, the Vata fire type. So that's guys. And that tree is called the tree of intoxication. Gans make liquor from the flowers of the mawa tree. If you take small amounts and mix it with good herbs, it is a medicine for many ailments. If you drink a little more, it is pleasant. But if you drink too much, your very form can change, and depending on your character, you may become a mouse or a tiger, a pig or pigeon. So that's it guys. And this is called a serpent hood. The nagpani tree seems to bite, for its branches are full of thorns and its leaves are shaped like the hood of a snake. So this is guys. There's a fountain over there, guys. And this is called the marriage of desire and intoxication. According to legend, the ganda plant and the mawa tree are husband and wife. And this is the Indian food, guys. Feeding body and soul as a symbol of offering and blessings. Cocos na sephira coconut. The Indian culinary tour of India. Spices and seasoning. Yeah, you can see their spices, guys. It's also beautiful here, guys. This is the kolam folk art. The hidden lotus blossom kolam in our Indian garden. Viewed from above, the plants surrounding you in this garden mark the shape of a vast lotus flower. And this is called their kolam designs. Yeah, look at that, guys. This is the meaning of art, daily practice, sacred space and time. And this is also the religious offerings. Acts of devotion, fruits and flowers for the gods. The spiritual act of worship can be shown by the earthly act of presenting gifts of plants to the gods. Hindus do this in home shrines and at the temple. Spiritual symbolism, the nature true meaning. This is also Singapore's sacred grounds. Take a temple garden to tour. It's beautiful, guys. And this tree is the home of Creator. And this tree is called the Tree of Songs. Once there were 7 Gand brothers who wanted to give away the property and mingle with the common folk. The great god appeared in the youngest brother's dream and told him that their calling was to sit under the saga tree and play music in praise of him. Now the saga in the Tree of Song. Saja, I mean Saja, sorry. I don't know if I pronounce right. So this is tree, guys. And this tree is called the peacock. When the peacock dances in the forest, everything watches and the trees change their form to turn into the flaming feathers. And this is called the Night of Glowing Simbar. Yeah, so this is the Indian garden, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. Yeah, today the weather is really good. This is the amazing and beautiful view of Indian Garden, guys, at Gardens by the Bay. Just a small fountain there. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys. Take care. I love you.